to our February home maintenance tips video. Winter can be super tough on your home. The cold weather and strong winds can really give your house a hard time inside and out. And let's be honest, when it's freezing outside, who doesn't daydream about sunny, warm places? But while we're stuck in this chilly weather, why not use these next few weeks to get some stuff done around the house? Now is a great time to replace your furnace filter. Your furnace has been working overtime with all the frigid weather. To help it ensure that it's working to its maximum potential, replace the furnace filter. They are relatively inexpensive, easy to replace, and can make a huge difference in energy saving and effectiveness. Clean or dust or vacuum curtains and blinds. Curtains and blinds can add a lot of decor to your home, but they also hold a lot of dust and dirt. It's important to regularly dust or vacuum your curtains or blinds using a feather duster, a dusting cloth, damp cloth, or a small fabric attachment on your vacuum cleaner. It has been a long time since you cleaned your curtains. You may want to wash them or have them dry cleaned. Check caulking around showers and bathtubs. Repair as needed. Bathroom caulking does not last forever, and over time, it can crack and become discolored. If not repaired, it can lead to water damage. If you have old caulking in your shower or tub, you will need to remove the old caulking, clean the surface, and apply new caulk. There are many tips and videos online to help you through that process. Finally, test your carbon monoxide and smoke detectors. The Consumer Product Safety Commission recommends that consumers test their smoke and carbon monoxide detectors every month to ensure they are properly working. Smoke alarms should be placed on every level of the home, inside of each bedroom, and outside of sleeping areas. If you do not have a carbon monoxide detector, be sure to get one. These should be installed on every level of the home and outside of sleeping areas. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in and getting some helpful tips for taking care of your home this month. Stay warm, stay cozy, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more great tips. Until next time, take care.